Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Are you looking to create a professional website for your business but don't want to spend a lot of money? Square is a great option for creating a free website that looks great and easy to use. In this video, we will show you how to create a free website using Square, including how to choose a template, customize your pages, and add content. So, let's get started with your first Square website. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you to do, guys, is simply go to the URL section. Go to here or either here, the same works, and search for Square. As simple as that. So let's go here and search for Square, and let's go to this website as you can see over here. So this is the application. So we can go to this. I just want to get the premium version, not the premium, but the English version. I don't think I'm able to find it. So let me just click on this one, and I will click on this one as well. So here, let me just, here it is. Okay, it is in English. Very good. Now, all you need to do is get started through here. So click on get started, and now you'll have to sign up on Square. So here you just have to put your email, confirm it, password, and your local. Now after you finish with that, you click on continue and you sign into your account. So let me do that real quick and be right back to you guys. So right after I have created my account, I am in this page. So tell us now what you are going to sell. Here you can choose you are selling physical items, menu items, tickets, donations, memberships or services. Let's choose physical items. Click on continue. How do you plan to fulfill orders? So you can allow pickup, shipping items, allow delivery and much more. So you choose whatever you'd like. Here click on continue and now you will have to choose the best kind of website that you are looking for. So here you will have a single shopping page, shoppable Instagram page, or full website plus online store. You can choose this one and then go and click on continue. Here you just have to wait a couple seconds and they will create your own store for you or your own website. So just wait a little bit and it will be ready for you in couple seconds. Here I am, guys. So I have created the account. Next and done. So welcome back. Here you can design your website. You can just click here and they will take you to a page where you can design the website. It is the menu, it is the look, the images and everything about it. So what's next? We can click here to skip everything. Here you have to pick a style. I'm really into like this kind of style or this one. So which one should we go for? Okay, let's go with this one and let's start customizing it. As you can see, this is how it's gonna be looking like. So you can change everything. You can change the logo. Let's start with it. So we can drag here a logo. Let's use this Wix logo for now. And as you can see, it appeared here. You can change the colors. I really rather to keep them like that. And finally here, the fonts. So finally here, you can just make the font bigger, smaller, and it depends on you. Here are the shapes. For example, the buttons. You'll find here the shape of the buttons. You can change them to be sharp, rounded, or even like bell, sharp, and here rounded. So it is only up to you. Here some site elements that you can add if you upgrade it to the premium version. For now, we'll keep it like that. Click on done, done, and now you just have to add a custom domain. You can search for it and get it from the Square services themselves, or you can get it from like another place. For example, you own a domain name in another hosting, you can get it from here, or you can use a Square subdomain. So you can keep that, and your domain has been shared. Publish your site to see this change. So you can just click here to publish it, and let's wait a little bit. And here it is. So if I click here, the website shall be published, and here it is. As you can see, everything is working nice and good. As you saw here, everything we edited. So shop now, introduction, sign up over here, and the logo, which is we've added Wix in our case. So here guys, you'll find the header. You can edit it, add buttons, you can add navigation, which is here. You can add navigation links, like so, add navigation link, link to, shop all, name and save, and you will find it over here. So home, shop all. You can here add email, newsletter, section title, section, let's close this to see it. So here we go. And you can just add it through here, as you can see. So you can literally edit everything in here from this text, which is the actual terms and services and privacy policy, into this button and the text that will be over here and here or here. So it is completely up to you guys, and you can do whatever you'd like. Here the footer, you can adjust this as well. You can add social media icons, add the menu itself that it was in the header to the footer, and you can like adjust it as you like. You can move items around, you can do whatever you'd like, and also you can find the logo there. You can turn it off, so something like that. And yeah, you would really like to add this function guys, which is the payment method. The payment method is really good. Like once the people get in the website, they will be like wondering, am I going to the checkout and then be rejected because I don't have the correct payment method? Well, let me check in the footer, because usually people put their payment method in the footer so people can know if they are going to waste their time or not. So adding the payment method into the footer is a really helpful process, so the people are actually going to like feel comfortable and have better experience on your site. So make sure to turn this on and add the payment method that you have in your website over there. As you saw for now, they are gray, but this is only because I didn't add any payment method to my settings, to my dashboard. Once I have added it, it will be changed from gray to the icon of the payment method that I've chosen. And finally here, there is customize, so you can customize the lights and colors, and of course the background, and finally here the footer branding, which is the square, powered by Square, which you can't really remove until you get the premium version, which is if you click here to upgrade. Let me just click show you real quick. This is the premium version, as you can see. So they have free, they have plus, and premium. So these are like the version that you are looking for, the plus and the premium. The plus has all free plan features plus more site customization, QR code, customer accounts, personalized ordering, advanced item settings, and order status text alerts. And for the 79, it has lowest processing rate, real-time shipping rate calculator. So these are the difference. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you had any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. I will make sure to answer all of your questions. If there was any like kind of complicated one, I will make sure to make a whole video about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.